Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to stay ahead in the markets by accessing up-to-the-second information, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to subscribe to real-time data on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot delayed versus real-time streams, and how to unlock those critical real-time prices for stocks, indexes, and more right inside your TradingView account. Let's jump straight into it. First, if you're on the TradingView platform, take your mouse and move over to your watch list. You'll usually find it on the right side of your screen. This is where you keep tabs on all the assets you like to monitor daily, whether stocks, cryptos, or even forex pairs. Now, as you look through your list, you might notice certain names have a small letter D next to them. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that D. What you'll see is a little tooltip pop up, and it usually says something like delayed by 10 minutes or maybe delayed by 15 minutes. This is super important to notice because it means that the price you're seeing is what's happening right now, but what was happening 10 or 15 minutes ago. For active traders or anyone who really cares about split-second decisions, those extra minutes can make all the difference. It's almost like watching sports highlights from 15 minutes ago while everyone else is seeing the game live. Next, let's compare that with some of the other assets in your watch list. Hover over a few other companies or even try out some popular cryptos. You might notice something different, no little d this time. Instead, the tooltip shows real time. That means you're seeing the latest data as it actually happens. Crypto markets, for example, often provide real-time data for free, which is why you might see those updating instantly, while certain stock markets keep you on a slight delay unless you're subscribed. So what if you want that same real-time speed for all your favorite assets, especially stocks or indexes? Here, how you can make that upgrade. Head over to your account profile. It's usually in the top right corner where your name or default avatar is. Click on your name and from the drop-down menu, choose Explore Our Plans. This is where you'll see all of TradingView's subscription options laid out, from free plans all the way up to premium. Each comes with their own set of features, but for real-time data, what we want is below this section. Once you're on the plans page, just scroll down a bit further until you spot the button or link that says Explore Available Markets. Go ahead and click it. This page is like a menu at your favorite restaurant, showing you all the real-time data packages available. You'll see which markets require a small additional subscription, sometimes just a few dollars a month, to unlock real-time prices for specific stocks, indexes, or other assets from exchanges all over the world. Think of it like adding specialty channels to your TV cable package. You only pay for the exact data feeds you need. When you're ready, simply select the market or exchange you want, follow the on-screen steps to confirm, and you'll be set. Sometimes there's a verification step, so don't worry if it takes a minute for the data to become active. After that, head back to your watch list and enjoy your new lightning-fast real-time quotes. You'll see that little D disappear. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or just want to share what exchange you're watching, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more helpful TradingView tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.